Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now click open and click got it, and then click this button to skip introduction. Now you have to click not now and click open permissions. Now select AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you have to click back and click back again, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.